Alrighty then. Hello. Just while I was eating, what came through is, so I'd shot a video earlier, and it was like something about worshiping or whatever. But what was coming through, spit it out, Sirena, damn it. What was coming through was, so God, the benevolent God, does this sound right? If you don't worship me, I'll kill you, I'll destroy you. Does that sound like our benevolent God? Love, what Jesus spoke about? Does that really sound right to you? Did Jesus say, worship me, or you're going to die? I don't know what he did. What I get that comes through is no, negative, absolutely not. I want you to just think about things like that. We want you to think for yourselves. I don't know if you can see it, but we have a cottonwood tree here, and there's cotton flying everywhere. It looks like snowing. But anyway, think about that. Bow down and worship. No, just come home to yourself, to the God spark that's in you, and be loved. We just want you to be happy. You're not going to find it from an outside source. It comes from within. That's all. Love you. Peace.